What's up, P-Timers? This is the brand new Fast and Furious Hot Wheels set. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at them, and then we'll put them down a brand new Hot Wheels stunt track. And we'll start it off with our first car from the set. It is the Buick Grand National, and this is from the 4th edition of the movie Fast and Furious, as you can see right there. I love the new card art on these cars. Check out the kind of color highlight that they have on these. Very, very nicely detailed. We'll go ahead and look on the back of the first car just so we can see some of the cars that are included inside. There we go. We got all 6 cars you'll see today. Buick Grand National, one of my personal favorites, just because growing up, my dad actually owned a Buick Grand National in real life. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and get a closer look at this car. And this was in the intro of the 4th edition of the Fast and the Furious when they had the Buick Grand National. And wow, this thing looks so cool, so blacked out. If you're not familiar with this car, look it up online. It's a great, great car in real life. Very, very fast car made in the 80s. It's one of the true last muscle cars in the 80s. But Buick Grand National, great looking car. Car number 2 of 6 is the 1995 Mazda RX7 in this gorgeous looking white color. Amazing artwork, as you guys can see again right there. This is from the Fast and the Furious, the first movie. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a close-up look at this. If you're a Mazda RX7 fan, this is definitely one to collect, especially in this beautiful looking white color, as you can see right here. The HKS on the side, we got the little mini, what is it, Yokohama, I think it's on there, but great looking in white. Not a lot of detail on the front, a little bit disappointing for the front tampo work, as well as the back, not a lot of detail and stuff like that. But from the side, it looks very, very cool. And car number 3 of 6 is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, a popular one that Paul Walker drove in Too Fast, Too Furious. Love the livery on this one. Looks fantastic, great looking artwork. Of course, let's go ahead and pop this one open. And there it is in that just an out there color and graphics all on the side right there. The nice chrome 5-star wheels on there. Not a lot of tampo work on the front or back, which is kind of a trend with this line. I mean, these are $1.47 cars at Walmart. They're not premium by any means from the Car Cartridge series, but great looking car. And we move on to car number 4 of 6. It is the 1970 Monte Carlo from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Ever so popular movie back then as well. Check out the nice kind of unfinished look on this one. Very, very cool. I like that. I like that. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Get a close-up look of that. And we had some muscle cars mixed in with the JDM cars for Fast and Furious. And you can see this one's kind of got that rustic look to it. Not a lot of work on the tampo work on the front and as per the back, but still a pretty neat looking car. Liking the blacked out wheels on this. And we move on to car number 5 of 6, the Nissan 370Z. Loving it in the silver color with that blacked out hood on there. I guess it's kind of imitating like a carbon hood. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at that. Pop it open. This one is from Fast 5 right there, as you can see. And there we go. We've got, I love these black wheels on there. They look great with the chrome lip. And it is kind of like an imitation carbon fiber hood that they're trying to get away with there, but still looks pretty cool. And again, not a lot of tampo on the front and back, but still the front does have the headlights on there. But I like the 370Z. I think it's a cool looking car. I'd love to see an update to this car in real life, maybe like a 390Z or a 400Z. That would be pretty cool. And last but definitely not least, from the Fate of the Furious, it is the 61 Chevrolet Impala. Big long red car. Love the faster than ever wheels on this one. Let's go ahead and pop it open, get a close-up look at it. And very lowrider-ish looking. I mean, obviously the Impalas were definitely popular for lowriders, but this one, Love it with that white interior and that red. The nice pinstriping looks great. The big chrome grille, very fitting for this car. And on the back of it, not much as far as tampo work goes, but still we can see the nice Impala lights on the back of it. This is a really cool one. I'm pretty excited to have this one. Comment down below, guys, which one is your favorite car from this Fast and Furious set. Let's go ahead and head on over to our stunt track and do a little tournament to find out the fastest one. All right, guys, we're on track and we're all set for race number 1. We've got the Monte Carlo as well as the RX7. They're going head to head down our brand new stunt track. Let's have a look at it. Go right down here, through the double loops on the ramp, jump over and cross the line. Hopefully, we'll see what happens here. This is gonna be an interesting setup. Let's get to race number 1. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. And it's the Chevy Monte Carlo that takes the win and takes out the Mazda RX7. And race number 2 is the Nissan 370Z versus the Buick Grand National. Let's see who crosses the finish line first and takes the win. On your mark, get set, go! And that Buick Grand National just catapults across the line and takes the win. Race number 3 is the Chevy Impala versus the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Mitsubishi Lancer that takes the win and moves on to our next round. Well, there's 3 cars left, but only 2 spots on the track. Since we've got 2 muscle cars and 1 from Japan, let's go ahead and put the muscle cars up head to head. Figure out who takes this win. Whoever wins this race will move on to the final to face the Mitsubishi Evolution. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Buick Grand National takes the win and moves on to the finals. Our final race, Buick Grand National versus Mitsubishi Evolution. Let's see who takes the win and is our Fast and Furious stunt track champion. On your mark, get set, go! And it is the Mitsubishi Evolution that takes the win and is our Fast and Furious stunt track champion. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this Fast and Furious set.